Hi guys, you are welcome to my channel. Today we'll be looking at how we can trade XAUUSD, that's gold, on the lower time frames. But before we go to the lower time frames, let's take a look at what has happened on the higher time frames. Okay, we'll be starting with the daily time frame, and I'll be using pivot analysis to analyze the likely direction for gold. Okay, I have pivot analysis. We have the pivot line, that's the blue line, at 3575.61, and the first resistance is at 3611.56. Our first support is at 3551.26. So the way gold is right now, the last 3 days, we have a push, a pullback with a pin bar, and then a push further up. That implies that gold is going up, and the next stop is at 3611.56. That happens to be the first resistance. Another clue is the fact that price dipped at the opening of the week, the weekly open, and dropped towards the pivot line, but it was unable to test the pivot line. But price has recovered back to the open price level and is attempting to go higher. So we expect price to get to the first resistance very soon. Okay, but that's that for the price of gold in line with pivot analysis. Okay, let's take a look at what has happened on the monthly time frame. Monthly time frame shows price of gold is rising and keeps rising, and we expect price of gold to get to the 4,500 level because of the break of this particular range. As this particular range, we have a breakout of this particular range, we expect price to push up in the direction of the breakout. For now, price is still rising, and if we look at this particular move here, we have price move from the region of 264 to the region of 34. So that's like almost 1,000 pips. So price is currently at 359, but we expect 1,000 pip from 34 to 3 upwards. So adding 1,000 pip, that will be 4423. So we expect price of gold to get to 4,400 or 4,500 level. Maybe in the next couple of months, or probably by next year, we expect to see price of gold get to that level. But that's sure to happen in time, in due course. All right, but for the monthly time frame, the price of gold is respecting the ascending trend line, and as price continue to push up, we continue to see more green candles on the monthly chart. Continue to see more green candles on the monthly chart and less red candles, less of few red candles. On the weekly time frame, we can see that price of gold broke the triangle, this particular triangle, this particular range, and price has since been climbing up. So just like the way I explained on the monthly, this particular riser, this particular leg, we expect the same leg to continue upward to the 4,000 region, or the 4,500 region in due course. Okay, but for the weekly time frame, as price continue to rise, price going to fall, we have a particular level here where price might test, where buyers are lined up. That's the 3380 in case price slides. Another level is the 3060 level. Buyers are lined up at this level in case price drops, and another level is 2904. But the likely direction for now is upward. On the daily time frame, price of gold is pushing upwards on the daily time frame. and the momentum is, the bullish momentum is quite strong for now, as price of gold continue to aim higher and higher. But for now, price might drop to this newly created order block. I'm talking about the 3551.9 to find more buyers and then continue its upward direction. But if that fails, we have the next stop at 3368. And if that fails, we have the next one at 3346. But for now, the likely direction is upward, as even as the bullish trend is strong. We have a strong bullish trend in place. All right, on the 4-hour time frame, price is strongly bullish as the buyers continue to push price up. We have a push up around here. The sellers try to push it downwards, but the buyers came in strong and pushed it upward. The sellers attempted to push it downwards, and the buyers, came in again and pushed it to this level. We continue to see more push upward. The upward momentum, the bullish momentum is quite strong. So, but in case price drops, we have this order block around here where buyers are lined up on the 4-hour time frame. I'm talking about the 3553 level. Another level where buyers are lined up is the 3487 level, and another level where buyers are lined up is the 3445 before we now finally have the 3411 level, should in case price drops. Okay, but for now, that's the momentum is bullish and price is respecting this particular trend line. That's that for the 4-hour time frame. On the 1-hour time frame, what do we have for gold? We have this particular dip of gold, price of gold, and price more like a flag pattern, and price has just broken the flag. So we might see price continue upwards in this direction, and in line with the flag pattern, I expect price to get as high as 3620 or thereabouts, 3620. Okay, in line with the flag pattern, I expect price to get to 3630 or 28 or 29 thereabouts. Around the 3628, 3629, 3630 area, we expect price of gold to reach that particular height in line with the current breakout on the 1-hour time frame. Okay, but price does not break out on the 1-hour time frame. We might see price, if it does not break upward, we might see price dropping to 3582 as the first stop. Then the second stop is 3551. Okay, but if price does not drop, we might see price continue its momentum upwards. Okay. On the 30 minutes time frame, price of gold is bullish. Look for buying opportunities. On the 15 minutes time frame, price of gold is also bullish, but what we are looking at currently is a break of this particular trend line. Okay, and we are looking at a retest. After this retest, we might either see price continue upwards, or we might see price drop to test the 3582 area. Okay, on the 5 minutes time frame, price of gold is bullish. Look for buying opportunities for now. Aim to buy and aim for the current all-time high, and the current all-time high is around the 3600 level. Don't forget, the in line with pivot analysis, 3611 is our first resistance. You might want to aim towards that level. So that's that for the analysis for today. If you are yet to subscribe to the channel, what are you waiting for? subscribe, click the subscribe button, like, share, drop comments. You can also visit our website www.beanfxtrader.com to learn more on how to trade gold. Till I come your way next time, it's bye for now.